Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Alex Beat Beat Brown, aka Factor. Hey! Fuck you, Mr. Alvin. I'm taking over YouTube. This is my rap. Hey! Here we go. Nessa, there's a deal in my dresser. I love you so. Make a little money, live a little on the dresser. Baby, man, I love you, man. I never wanna let you go. I'm sitting in the corner crying like I wish I never met her at all. Then I see your picture, I shed a tear. I'm not a real nigga, I'm a house nigga. I'm not a blood nigga, I'm not a crip nigga. I'm a house nigga. Hey. Nessa, don't go, baby. I love you so much, I don't wanna let you go. Please come back in my life. You girl I got, no, she's not gonna be my wife. You man, I love her cause you white. Home, baby Nessa, please come back. Don't leave like that, baby, come back. I got long hair like a bitch. Let my homies grab my hair like a bitch. I look like a horse in the Predator. Mr. NLV, I'm your predator. I got a homie, nigga, he's fat. He looks like a seal, yeah, what'd you think of that? I got another homie, dog. He's a pedophile. He looks like a rooster dog, but he's a chicken. Then I got a homie, man, he's got big lips. Got another homie, he's white. His name is Aaron. Another friend named Get the Kai. But what's gifted about him, nigga? He must be high. Homie, please come back. Man, I love you, Nessa, man, it's just like that. Nessa, there's a ditto in that dresser. Run, if he can't do it, no one can. R to the O to the N to the N. R to the O to the N to the N. Baby, please, I love you so. Fuck you, Kingstorm, whatever the fuck you call your name, cause I'm still 6 from the Vaughn. Don't get it in my hair. I can't get it in my hair. Ugh, that's from smoking all that shit. Hey, Baldy, quit fucking my bitch. Hey, brother, you an idiot, huh? Man, I'm not gonna lie. I love you so, I never wanna let you go. Baby, please, nothing, won't you come back? I'm sitting here crying. Please, baby, man, I love you, that's my topic. That fat motherfucker need to stop it now, cliche. He's got a jacket, looks like Back to the Future. But he's not white, but he acts white. I'm looking at my game, I'm thinking, damn, you better get right. I'm Factor, baby, man, I love you, baby. Please, Nessa, come back to me because Nessa, there's a dinner with my dresser. Hey, yeah, oh shit, I'm black, yeah, fuck you greatest, fuck you, Vector, kill yourself, bitch. What? Yeah, I'm Factor, I'm black. Yeah, I'm black, nigga. Yeah, I'm black. Yeah, that's me, Factor, everybody. Hey, that's me, baby. Come on, Nessa, please, I love you. Please, Nessa, please come back to me, baby. I'm not a rapper or a singer. Nessa, please come back. Nessa! Not a man without you. My new girlfriend moved her boyfriend in. It's her baby daddy. Please, Nessa! Nessa! I'm not a man without you. What? I don't look like Lil Wayne or T-Pain. What? Okay. Please, Nessa!